How to add Google Maps to Wix website. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add Google Map to Wix website. So what do you do first? The first thing to do is to log in into your Wix account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the top right corner of the screen, you will see the design site icon, right? So just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to your Wix website editor's page. So once you're on this page, all you need to do is to hold on and wait for the page to load. All right. So once it has loaded, you'll be brought to your Wix website page here on, as you can see on my screen. And then by the left side, you'll see a menu displaying some options. Ensure you click on the plus element icon. So once you click on the plus element icon, a list of options will be displayed there as well. Locate contact and forms and click on it. Okay, so once you've located it and you've clicked on it, the next thing for you to do is to select Google Map on these options, and then you can see Google Maps under Google Maps. So you can select, do you want a map or a full width map? All right, select the one you want. For me, I'll be working with full width map, so just click on it that way. And then once you've clicked on it, move over here and select the one you want. You can scroll down to until you see the one you want. So once you've seen the one you want and you're sure you selected the page where you want the map to appear, just um long press on the one you selected and then drag it to the page, just like that. So once you drag it to the page, it will load, and then the map will be added automatically to your website. So for you to be able to manage location, you can just click on direction here, or settings, or manage locations directly. You can just click on it here to adjust the map to your desired choice. If you want it to be one, multiple address, etc, just customize it the way you want and you're good to go. So this is how you can add Google Maps to Wix website. Thanks for watching.